In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on a suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. You need to begin by launching device's settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, select System. Now Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, select Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!